Welcome to Siem Reap City. If you are someone looking for a great experience of being a bit more adventure during the time you are in the city of Cambodia, I would recommend one of my favorite places to visit is Kulen National Park. It's located north side of Siem Reap, about 65 kilometers away, which take you up to 2 hours on a motorbike trip. The ticket costs you $20 per person, which valid for 24 hours. It's a great historical site contained of ecotourism, including the experience of being with local fruits and foods, and also sunset spot, camping site, everything is there. The best way to get there is to rent a $10 bike, fill the gas, and explore all the visitable temple and swimming inside of the waterfall, which the local believe that it is the holy water because of the 1,000 linga carving on the riverbed. It's a 4-day activity. If you're going there without a tour guide, don't forget to bring a map from where you bought the tickets, and it's a good reception area, so you can Google the map or use internet. If you're going there for camping, watch my full video and for more about Siem Reap. Thanks from a Cambodian guide.